Hey, you all must have seen birds flying in the sky. Birds are animals with feathers. Their body is covered with feathers. These are the only animals that can fly. Birds come in different colors and sizes. Birds lay eggs. Chicks, that is the baby birds, hatch out of the eggs. Birds are two-legged animals with feathers, wings, and a beak. They like to eat grains, fruits, insects, and small animals' feathers. Birds have different types of feathers. Down feathers. Down feathers keep the birds warm. Wings. Birds can fly with the help of their wings. They flap their wings and fly. Bones. Ollie, do you know that the bones of birds are hollow? This makes them light. Being light in weight helps them to fly. Beak. The beak is very important for birds. Birds gather food with the help of their beaks. Birds also use their beak to carry things like twigs, leaves, bits of grass for building nests. Birds carry food in their beaks to feed their young ones. Gizzard. Birds do not have teeth. They pick their food with the help of their beaks. Then they push the food down into their stomach. A part of their stomach is called gizzard. The gizzard has very strong muscles. These muscles help in grinding the food just like our teeth do. Claws. Birds have claws at the end of their legs. Claws are like long covered nails. They hold the branch with their claws and sit on it. This is called perching. Claws also help the birds to protect themselves. Claws help the birds in catching their prey.